Just look at how tiny this little cinnamon roll is. Okay, now let me explain this real quick. I made a cinnamon roll cereal video on my TikTok recently. That's over 1 million views. Y'all really like that. Currently cereal videos are trending like crazy, so I might as well hop on it, right? Let's make a cinnamon roll cereal. Okay, for the dough. Now, if I look frustrated, just watch the whole video and you'll see why. If you're making the dough the same day, use warm milk. So we've got the milk in here, it's nice and warm. Active dry yeast, white sugar, and just toss in the flour, salt, whole egg. Mix it up, we've got soft butter. Just add in a spoonful at a time. Okay, now at this point, we're just gonna beat the hell out of it for like 4 minutes. I buttered this bowl prior. Okay, that's in the bowl. I'm just gonna go ahead and cover that with a towel and we're gonna let this proof for about 2 hours. Dough's proofed. It's not gonna proof too much because it's a very enriched dough, by the way. Just got a sheet tray, parchment paper. Let's go ahead and grease that up real quick. And then this is just gonna go onto the tray. Go ahead and grease up your hands a little bit, and then we're just gonna spread it out evenly on the tray. Now just go ahead and cover that with plastic wrap, and then just set it somewhere in the fridge. And we're just gonna let that sit overnight. Okay, while the dough is proofing, we're gonna go ahead and make the filling. Now for this, all you're gonna need is a fancy bowl. Put the brown sugar in there, white sugar, then the melted butter. Now, of course, these are cinnamon rolls, so we're gonna put cinnamon in here, but not the type that you're thinking. I've got some Mexican hot chocolate here from Spiceology. It's got cinnamon in it because it's Mexican hot chocolate. It's good. So just about 2 tablespoons of that. Now just whisk that up. Now, once you've got this together, you just go ahead and cover it, leave it out at room temp once you're ready to use it on your dough. Okay, I left the dough in the fridge overnight. Time to pull it out. Also, something else I have in here is just like a stone tablet, just like this. I like to keep it cold just because it's summertime. You want to roll it out on a chilled surface. Now it's summertime, so you gotta do it on a chilled surface. Unless you live in Alaska or something and everything's always cold. Okay friends, I forgot to film myself talking. So first, dust your surface with flour. Take your dough out, unwrap it, dust it with some more flour on top so it doesn't stick. Then roll it out, nice and thin. Cut the edges so it's nice and straight. Then put your filling and spread it evenly. Trim the edges off just like that. And then roll it into tight little logs, just like this. Then we're just gonna cut them into equal size little nubs, just like this. Look at how tiny this little cinnamon roll is. Now we're just gonna go ahead and leave these out for about 15 minutes to proof. Okay, I've got it in the oven right now, 375 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna set it for about 10-15 minutes until golden brown. Now, you wanna go ahead and make your frosting while this is going on. All it is the powdered sugar mixed with the cream and the vanilla extract. Whisk it up until it's nice and smooth, just like this, and put it into a piping bag. Okay, this stuff happens sometimes. As you can see, the chocolate's everywhere. It's a big mess. I decided to do chocolate instead of cinnamon this time, and I totally forgot that chocolate would just melt and get everywhere. So let's go ahead and try this again. Okay, so this time for the filling, use cinnamon instead so it doesn't melt. Mix that up well. Put it onto the sheet tray with your parchment paper or silpat, just like this. All right, take 2 is in the oven. Let's see how it goes. All right. Now that's a cinnamon roll cereal right there. These came out really great. So I'm just gonna go ahead and ice them now while they're hot. So I'm really happy with how these turned out. They look really nice. Obviously I could have rolled them a little tighter, but still it's fine. We're just gonna turn them into cereal. And yes, this recipe is great for a normal full-size cinnamon roll, so go ahead and do that as well. I guess now all there's left to do is make the damn cereal. Oh my gosh, it's so satisfying to scrape them off. All right, into the bowl. Just want to take this moment to say, if you put the milk first, you're a madman. Look at that cinnamon roll cereal, yes. Some vanilla flaky salt. Okay, this is dank. For anyone that wants to try this out, take some patience, but it's pretty good. Tastes like cinnamon toast crunch, basically. It's so good. All right, everyone, hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's really easy to make. Try it out. Make some whole ones too if you want, some nice big ones. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new here, and always remember, new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.